This is a phase of the ladybug life cycle, and this guy is very beneficial to the garden. They will eat aphids, so the fact that this is here means I've got some aphids on different plants, and the ladybugs are here to take care of it. And so as a nature journaler, I can observe this guy and sketch him or her and enjoy the beauty of nature all around me. So take a look at that. It's so spiky. You would never imagine that's going to turn into a ladybug. So the magic of Mother Nature. Another insect friend. I don't know if you can see it. This is a daddy longlegs. Okay, so while daddy longlegs have 8 legs, they're related to scorpions, and they are not true spiders. They don't spin silk webs, and they don't have 2 separate body parts like a spider has the big abdomen and the head, so they just have the one. So not a true spider and not anything to be afraid of, but something to observe and wonder at.